once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue to visit different irrigation schemes located in Rwanda. Now today we are visiting a new irrigation scheme called Cyimpima irrigation scheme. It is one of the schemes located in the eastern province, especially in the Rwamagana district. So it was a scheme constructed. It is a scheme constructed under the aid of the people of Japan, as you see on this post. So let's see its location exactly using Google Earth. So you can write the Cyimpima like this, Rwamagana, and the search. You will see where the Cyimpima irrigation scheme is located. So this is the Rwamagana city. So taking this road, you continue this road, and when you reach somewhere here, you make just a left turn. Take this small road, coming this way, then you arrive at the Cyimpima irrigation scheme. Exactly, this is the upstream headworks or structures, mainly the impounding reservoir. This is the impounding reservoir of Cyimpima, and this is the embankment dam, which just broke this water, which helps us to make this reservoir. And here we have just a spillway for diverting excess water during high floods, and we have the tow drain somewhere here, and we have a house for housing, of course, the valves and so on to control the outflow. The outflow is just through a pipe, which we will see through the video. And we have now some canals. We have just a canal crossing here, and the left and right canals are here all along. They can be called belt canals, and we have a main drainage channel here. So this is the irrigation scheme. These are the fields all along the scheme. So let's see the details through a taken video. We have visited this scheme. Let's see now how everything looks like. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.
Amazi yinjirira avuye muri damu. Ni iki gitiyo kiyazana. Ubusa ufungurira hehe? Kumona ari ibitiyo bibiri bitandukanye se bijyana hehe? Akahe? Aka gatoya? Nuko ngo aya matiyo niyo akura muri damu mo hariyemo imbere. Nuko ngo